a bridge opening ceremony today, so we've been asked to decorate our boat as much as we can. We pulled out every single old flag we've had, so let's see how we can get to work.
You get that one in as well.
Oh, our flags are stuck against the pole now, mast.
What am I doing?
Hello!
Another one. Where are you going? So,
Yeah.
this is why you can't always believe Navionics charts. Just a little bit wrong, saying that we're going through a mud flat.
And that's out the window. There's the marina we're going to. Your hand, sorry. We can walk.
No, it's not. I've only got one. When I was driving the wreck. It was a week and a half. Turtle Alley.
Oh, that'll add to the story.
Well, we just walked across from dinner and we just found some night markets, so we're just having a look. It's huge, but it's empty. There's no one here. So, are we early
No,
or are we late?
I don't think they're really open. I think they're open only a bit from every other night. The main nights will be open.
It's all dried fruits, is it? Oh, all dried fruits.
I use it in my muesli.
Oh, it's all dried
So I
fruit.
take the dried fruit and then I cut it up and put it on my muesli.
No, I don't know what that is.
And
It's,
this-
it's red.
Full of ants.
Yeah, the ant.
Really?
It's dried carrot. It's dried carrot.
Koala balls.
Yeah, we get them in Australia everywhere.
Yeah, I know. I heard. I could use a handbag.
Go with your sarong.
Whoa!
Oh!
Drive that!
Oh! Looks like they're all done. They're all heading back. Market finished. Don't know. Oh, here it's all closed. I'm not sure if it's finished early, wrong night, half night. Looks like it would be huge when it's fully everyone here. All I can smell is fish. Oh, the supermarket's across where we were. It's just punched into a mulch. Oh, healthy.
They look like turtle shells.
But cannot eat a lot because you know what? It makes you difficult to feed. But it's good.
Here's our bus. It's actually made of wood. Aircon.
Alright.
So that's a hot wax. Jelly wax.
Oh, rubber tree.
From the rubber tree. Oh. Looks like a crystal.
You can smell it if it's black.
Yeah.
Color.
Yeah.
Color will not spread away.
So that's colour now?
Not spread.
Yes. So when you it goes to the wax, you just put the colour there
And it runs out to it and it stops. Did you just buy a heap of fabric and you're about to make your own?
I got some of this.
But
Take 1 month. 1 month. Complete your whole process.
1 month.
The process takes you 1 month. That's expensive. Ladies and gentlemen. This is freehand bedding. Everything is from.
Isn't it a museum?
I like the hats.
You're there for the men.
Women wear a hat. Hey Chris, you can have one of these. I'm gonna get healed. It looks easy.
No, it doesn't look easy. So I imagine it's impossible.
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay.
You have to put this like this. You have to go like this.
Oh, easy. Yeah. Ah!
First shot.
First shot, I reckon.
First shot. First kill, no luck, just skill.
Just go for it. I've watched enough.
Maybe
Watched all these failed attempts. I feel like I need to hold the string. You just pull back. You don't hold the string, just pull.
Yeah, just pull this back.
The string just stay.
You just
Throw and then pull.
Yeah, pull back this ring.
Oh, so close. So close. The sailing community. That didn't even grab.
What happened to your phone?
Why isn't it grabbing? What's the first one was better. Or clockwise. Clockwise. Yeah. Other way. Anti-clockwise. Right-handed.
You have to anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise, that way. I did, didn't it? Went that way twice.
Yeah.
I should have thrown that one harder.
Oh, yeah.
Lastly.
Take final one.
First try.
Yes! Wait. Get back on there. Oh, do it again.
Yeah.
Okay, none of this. Oh, hang on through.
You've got the dexterity test.
Oh, I didn't cross over.
Faster.
Okay, fuel run.
You're running Kuala Terengganu. Let's go. There was another channel complaining how difficult this was. It wasn't that bad, I thought.
Well, it is difficult, but
Good dock here. That's really snapped through in the guts.
Yeah. I mean,
you're gross and sweaty.
Oh, that's nice. Hold my hand.
Diesel.
It's just gross. I don't want to hold your hand.
Hold my hand.
It is
Hold
gross.
my shirt.
Oh, that's even worse. That's just foul.
Shirt is wet. Push over.
Push.
Hey, let's hold him up. Let's go.
How are you paying?
I think it goes in our account with the marina.
Hey,
done pretty good
hey,
considering how bad it is.
Uncle Michael's Crocs are being used.
No, then, aren't they? Yeah, Michael's, Marty's now fine. Here we go.
Hello.
Oh yeah.
Fuel runs. Don't you love them? I don't want to get rusty. I don't want to get my shoes dirty. I don't want it to be oily. I have no desire to get up on there. Look at it. Nice and clean.
So wasn't so hard, was it? No. So we're at the international airport to start clearing out.
Yeah, I think so.
I think so. I mean, what the hell are we going through there for?
That was that fella's 90th birthday.
Yeah.
Oh, I felt bad walking through there.
He invited us to sit down and eat with him.
Us to sit down and have his fish dinner.
Oh, that's cute.
No, that's okay. We're
Well,
too
there's
busy.